Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I'm Sidra, and I'm very happy to be with you again.
Hello, Sidra. I'm happy too. How are you today?
Thank you for asking. I'm doing well, feeling relaxed and positive.
That's good to hear. I feel calm today as well.
That's wonderful. Dear listeners, before learning, always check how you feel. When the mind is calm, learning becomes easy. Today, we will learn cooking sentences and household chores sentences in English. We will explain meanings, we will repeat, we will practice together. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready, Sidra.
Great. Let's start slowly. First word is cooking. Cooking means making food using heat. For example, when you make rice or eggs, you are cooking. Repeat after me. Cooking.
Cooking.
Good. The simple sentence is, I am cooking. This means, right now, I am making food. Repeat after me. I am cooking.
I am cooking.
Good job. Now a common cooking word, cut. Cut means to divide food with a knife. For example, cutting onions or tomatoes. The sentence is, I cut vegetables. This means, I divide vegetables into small pieces. Repeat after me. I cut vegetables.
I cut vegetables.
Excellent. Sime, do you cut vegetables at home?
Yes, but slowly. I'm careful with the knife.
That's smart. Safety is important. Next word is boil. Boil means to cook food in hot water. For example, eggs or potatoes. The sentence is, I boil eggs. This means I cook eggs in hot water. Repeat after me. I boil eggs.
I boil eggs.
Another word is fry. Fry means to cook food in oil. For example, frying onions. The sentence is, I fry onions. This means I cook onions in hot oil. Repeat after me. I fry onions.
I fry eggs.
Listeners, let's practice together. I cut vegetables. I boil eggs. I fry onions. Your turn. Slowly. I cut vegetables. I boil eggs. I fry onions. Well done. Sayem, what can you cook?
I can cook rice and tea.
That's great. The word can means ability. So, I can cook rice means I know how to cook rice. Repeat after me. I can cook rice.
I can cook rice.
Excellent. Now let's talk about household chores. Household chores mean daily work we do at home. Daily or regular work done at home to keep the house clean and organized, as cleaning the house, washing dishes, doing laundry, sweeping or mopping the floor, cooking food, taking out the trash. Repeat after me. Household chores.
Household chores.
First chore is clean. Clean means to make something neat and tidy. The sentence is, I clean the house. This means I make the house neat and tidy. Repeat after me. I clean the house.
I clean the house.
Very good. Next word is wash. Wash means to clean with water. The sentence is, I wash the dishes. This means I clean plates and cups with water. Repeat after me. I wash the dishes.
I wash the dishes.
Good. Sime, do you wash dishes every day?
Not every day, but I help sometimes.
Helping sometimes is also good. Another word is sweep. Sweep means to clean the floor with a broom.
The sentence is, I sweep the floor. This means I clean the floor using a broom. Repeat after me. I sweep the floor.
I sweep the floor.
Nice.
Now let's practice a question. What do you do at home? This question asks about your daily work at home. Repeat after me. What do you do at home?
What do you do at home?
Good. Answers can be I cook food. This means I make food. I clean the house. This means I make the house tidy. I wash the dishes. This means I clean plates. Sime, answer the question.
I cook food and clean the house.
Very nice answer. Listeners, now answer aloud. I cook food and clean the house. Excellent effort. Now listen to a short story. In the morning, I cook food. I cut vegetables and boil eggs. After cooking, I clean the house. I wash the dishes and sweep the floor. This story shows daily cooking and chores. Sime, repeat it slowly.
In the morning, I cook food. I cut vegetables and boil eggs. After cooking, I clean the house. I wash the dishes and sweep the floor.
Perfect. Before we move to the final review, I have a small suggestion for you. If you want to see these words in action, we have a short video about household chores. In that video, you will see real actions like cleaning the house, washing the dishes, and sweeping the floor. Watching helps your brain remember better. You hear the word and you see the action.
Yes, I watched it once. It really helped me understand the sentences.
Exactly. When you watch and listen together, learning becomes easier and faster. So let's see.
I sweep the floor in the evening. I dust the furniture every week. I wash the dishes after dinner. I am cooking food for the family. I clean my room on Sunday.
So, you just watched the short video about household chores. Did you notice how each action matched the sentence?
Yes, it was very clear. Seeing the actions made the words easier to understand.
Exactly. When we see and hear together, learning becomes stronger. Let's review. Today, we learned cooking words. Cooking means making food. Cut means divide food with a knife. Boil means cook in hot water. Fry means cook in oil. We also learned household chores. Clean means make tidy. Wash means clean with water. Sweep means clean the floor. Saim, how do you feel now?
I feel confident. Now I understand the words and meanings.
That's the goal. Understanding brings confidence. Dear listeners, keep practicing daily. Speak slowly, repeat often. If this podcast helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for listening. See you next time.
Bye, Sidra. Bye, everyone.